Hi teachers and platform users. So in this section, I'll teach you how to put in modules in our system. So first you need to click on My Course and then click on Create Course if you already created a course, and then put in the title of the course, procedure, for example. I already created some course, so I'll just go and continue to my course. So we'll go to Sean Online School. So first, I already put in some description of this course. So which is the best learning management for your um, system or your business e-learning platform. And then all of the things that you need want to put into this description will be right here. The objectives and what do you want to be the objective of the system. And the next is the topic that you want or the topic that you will tackle. For example, the topics will be how how to use our mhm, portal demo. So the content will be creating description. Next is the adding of modules, and then exams, creating exams. And you just need to click on save on that. Mhm. So once the students are already enrolled on this page or already in the community, you can search for the modules that are created by the tutors or the what you call this one, or the teachers. So this is the actual framework that we just used. So the best management software for your e-commerce platform, and then read more if you want to. Yeah, to put on that how to use your portal demos, set invisible. So go to course homepage. So first is that you need to, after that, if you want to put in some documents or anything that you want to put into this material, so you can add PDF files or anything, or created visuals. So you need to, second is that you need to go to the learning path. Then I already created that. You need to click on the create you learning path. Instead of creating for that, I already created some sample learning procedures here. So you need to click on the procedure demo. So this is the actual page that will be look like. Okay, so to if this is too fast for you, you can just back and forth and just click on the video forward, backward. Okay. So by the way, I'm Sean. I'm the creator of this page. So sample learning procedure. Okay. hmm Learning path, feature demo. Okay. Learning path, and then I need to put in the edit path. So creating this one. So for that one, I already put in the procedure that we just saw on the video, and we can just put in some audios if you want. So for example, will just put in some audio. Mhm. Okay. Create a new document. Pause. just uploaded some files here, which is the Abacada Teacher Aya online tutorial for this PDF. So what we're going to do is we're just gonna drag and drop it in our module. So after that, it'll be seen in our module. So we'll just go to that one. Then we'll also have the procedures and prerequisites options. So if you're not done with this process, you cannot go to that one. For example, I'll be putting some test here. Okay, so which is the a new test. So just click on the new test, and then Abacada questions. So that's the process. So in this page, we have some templates that we can use. So for multiple choices, multiple answers, fill in the blanks, matching, open questions, oral questions, image and zones, extractions, unique answers with a no, multiple questions, true or false, multiple answer, true or false, degree of certainty, combination of true or false, and don't know, global multiple answer, calculated questions, unique answer image, and also sequence ordering. Okay, and match dragging. So annotation, reading comprehension, and then upload the answers. So I'll be choosing the this one. Okay, so already question match match the letters with its sound. So what I'm gonna do is A and it sounds and for answers is we can add some sounds and also some letters in this course. So what we're gonna do is we're going to as an eye catcher for our students. So we'll put some image. So what I'm going to do is browse, and then this is our portal which we use to upload all the files that we are going to use and put into our system. So first you need to click on file, select the files that you want to upload, and go to files, the blob, and then also the letter A. Okay, and then option that responsive image, so we can just put in our text what is the sound of letter. Then at this point, this is the answer sheet, so going to do the same, browse, and then put in this one as it is ASO, A for ASO, right? So and then just the process A, but is then you just do the same process, but it is the sound. You can also add some sounds. What is the sound of A? Aso, or just pusa, or what's the sound of P? Meow, or just add this to the test, and then we'll go to the test and go to the section tab, learning path. Then click on edit. And then if you need to put in some questions or test, you need to go here, and also you can just drag and drop it. Okay. So the format will be right this one. You just look in the preview. So in this section, it'll teach you how to put in, and then if you click on the, if you click here or click on the next one, it'll be just like here. So the learning materials are like this. A for Apple, B for anything that you want, PDF, video files, recordings. Mhm. And after that, if you click on this, it will go to the questionnaires. Okay, so it will ask if the kids already learned the lesson, so it will start the test. So match the letters with its sound. So it's a question: what is the sound P and or this question, right? So we're gonna drag and drop it. What is the sound of letter A? So mm, it's already created some questions. So this let go. So answers will be matching to B. So A is for B. So the questions will be or the answer will be put in here. So A is for apple. Apple. And B is for and A is for or B. I just need to put in the image. So there's a wrong here. hmm So B, A is for ow, 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 apple. So what I'm gonna do is go to add this to the questions, and then go to the Shannon's column and our learning path, and then edit. It's already added some questions, so we're gonna remove this one. So we just need to put in some tests. Preview. Exactly, if this is right. Okay. So we'll just go to the. This is the demo. So we just need to check on the preview of the things that we did. So first is the students like this. The process that we did. So model procedures and the PDF that we put into this file. And then after that is the Abacate demo. So this will start or initiate the task that we put into this for the children to answer. So match the picture with this correct sounding. So A is for apple and B is, so that's the process. Then if we check on the answers, so the students already got the test. It is 20 out of 20 scores. So then list the correct answer. and then just go back to this. So in our home page, so we will see the things that we did. So Sean Online School Learning Platform, then Course Home. So we can add different learning path in our. So this procedure, we just click on the student view. Okay, and then click on the sample procedure demo. So start to the page. So first at the PDF. Just change the template. So that's how the audience will see or as a procedure. Okay. So if you want to put in some screens so that you can show the PowerPoints, and also the questionnaires.